Good evening, ma'am. How was the event?
It was wow, very
Thank you
awesome.
so much, ma'am. So, ma'am, a basic question from my side is how important is education in empowering young women nowadays?
The most important education, I think, it is the strongest weapon. With the help of this weapon, you can change the society, you can change anything, you can bring good change in the system. So education is everything, the first and foremost thing. The every woman, every parent should focus on education of their children.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And any message you'd like to give?
Yes, I can give in short the you can say the takeaway points for today can be first to all women, to all young girls like you, that you should believe in your abilities before the world believes in you.
So, a very good morning, ma'am. So, my question is from what you have seen today. What do you think our college is contributing to empowering women nowadays?
Contributing right now, or what steps do they need to take? What you want to know?
Steps take.
Okay. So, colleges play a very important role in shaping a woman's career as well as her overall personality. See, one is they provide you the infrastructure, okay? Well lit streets, camera covered campuses, supportive environments that you feel safe.
So, very good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Anusha.
So, my question is what advice would you give to the young women of our college who want to build a strong career in banking and finance?
In banking and finance, okay. So I think, as I mentioned earlier in my during the conclave also, financial knowledge is something which probably everybody should have. You know, be it a male, be it a female, be a student in education, be a student in engineering. So financial knowledge is something which is important for every individual in the society. So coming back to your question, that what advice would I give to women who want to have a career in banking? Banking is an ocean. It is no longer confined to opening an account or getting a loan sanction for your customer. It involves anything and everything you can think under the sky, which comes the first thing in the morning when you get up. What do? You open your phone and maybe you order something through an app, some online shopping. So right from the very minute you wake up to the minute you sleep, you might be using one or the other UPI platform to purchase or sell something or do something with your finances. So as a woman in banking, I would suggest that they have to be very open to learn. Knowledge is the biggest constant we have in the banking industry. Banking, as I said, is an ocean. You have to learn every day. You have to learn people management. You have to learn credit cards, mutual funds, advisory services, anything and everything which is linked with an individual's requirement today, in today's times, has to be understood.
So, very good evening, ma'am. So, my question is as an entrepreneur, how important are supportive colleges in women entrepreneurship?
First of all, thank you so much for having me here. And I think safety is the biggest concern. When women feel safe, they feel more welcomed. So, in any colleges, any offices, you have to take care of the atmosphere that it's well organized and well safe. Because अगर safety का issue थोड़ा सा भी लगेगा ना, no one will feel confident. A safe woman feels confident. Yeah.
Ma'am, one last question.
Yeah.
How was your experience throughout the Holy World?
The moment I arrived and I saw, like, in every sector, all the females are working, like even arranging the lunch, even arranging the
Organizing.
yes, even like escorting, the guides were escorting us, those were the females. And I'm so impressed, like seeing that. And I do want to see women rising on the top. They are rising, there's no question about it. But you guys organized it so well.
Thank you so
Like
much.
the you meant it, like, and you did it.
Yeah.
Nari Shakti, you meant it and you did it. You proved it. That the whole event was organized by all the females.
It was really an honor. So good evening, ma'am. सबसे पहले आपका एक्सपीरियंस क्या था पूरे इवेंट में?
इवेंट बहुत नाइसली ऑर्गेनाइज था और मैनेजमेंट बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहा है और जितनी
so much,
फीमेल स्टूडेंट्स थे उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म किया. मेरे को तो जो उनके मतलब थॉट्स थे, आइडिया थे, यूनिक.
थैंक यू सो मच.
थैंक यू.
एंड एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन. हमारे कॉलेज में कुछ लड़कियां ऐसी भी हैं जिनका स्पोर्ट्स शायद छूट गया है या फिर उनको अभी भी मन है कि वो अपना करियर स्पोर्ट्स में बिल्ड करे, तो उनके लिए कोई एडवाइस?
स्पोर्ट्स में कैरियर छूट गया है, डोंट बी वरी. अपना पहले सबसे पहले फिजिकल फिटनेस नहीं छोड़नी कभी भी.
Okay.
आपको कभी भी सेल्फ डिफेंस के लिए फिजिकल फिटनेस होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. आप रोज़ अपना एक रूटीन बनाइए, जैसे खाना, सोना, पढ़ना सब रूटीन वाइज करते हैं. एक्सरसाइज का एक अलग सेशन लगाइए, उसको मिक्स मत कीजिए. आप अपने लिए आधा घंटा 1 घंटा दिन में निकालिए. आप स्पोर्ट्स चलो वो बाय द एज वो नहीं हो पाता, लेकिन अपनी फिटनेस के ऊपर पूरा ध्यान दीजिए. सेल्फ डिफेंस बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है और अगर आप अचीव कर सकते हैं तो कई गेम ऐसे हैं आप मतलब बाद में भी जैसे आप आर्चरी है और ये गेम है, आप कभी भी कर सकते हैं इन गेम्स को.